Hey everyone, I'm Ashif with Softorino, and you're about to see how to convert RMVB files into M4V on your Windows PC or your Mac. We're going to go over 3 different methods. Method 1 is going to be using online converters. Method 2 will be using an app called HandBrake. And method 3 is the simplest, using WALTR PRO. So let's check out how to convert using an online converter. First, simply go to Google and search up convert RMVB to M4V. Some of these websites don't work, some of them do, and I found this one here works the best. So we're gonna upload our video into the website and then simply press convert. After it's done converting, you simply download it, and now you're able to watch this video. So that was method 1, to convert this video from RMVB to M4V using an online converter. But if you're worried about privacy and you don't want to upload your videos into any random websites, then let's check out the next method, HandBrake. So HandBrake is an app and you can download it on their website. After you've downloaded and installed it, the app is somewhat easy to use. All you have to do is select your RMVB file. Then you want to select the output file format. So we can choose any of these and simply convert it. So that was method 2 to convert this file, but if it was too hands-on for you, then you'll definitely want to check out method 3. And if you want to follow along with these steps, use the link in the description below to download your free trial for WALTR PRO. You just need an email address so we can send you the activation link, and you'll be able to follow all these steps and do a lot more with this app. So after you've downloaded and installed WALTR PRO, you simply launch it, and all you have to do is drag this RMVB file into WALTR PRO, and out comes your M4V file as fast as that. But it gets even better with WALTR PRO if you have an iPhone, iPad, iPod, or you just want to use it with your Mac. If I go ahead and connect my iPad to my Windows PC or Mac, I can actually send any of these RMVB files right into them, and WALTR PRO takes care of converting this file into a playable format. But not only that, it actually goes into the correct app, such as Apple TV for videos, or Apple Music for your music, and so much more, like books, PDFs, and just anything you can imagine. So those were the 3 methods to convert any RMVB file into M4V and play them on your Windows PC or Mac. And if you want to check out WALTR PRO, don't forget to click the link in the description below and get your free trial for WALTR PRO. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave us a like, comment down below what you want to see next, and subscribe so you can stay up to date on the best Apple tips. Thanks for watching.
Softorino. Tiny apps that make a gigantic difference. Difference.